What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's Sunday today. I got some time to edit. Yesterday we went over to Monuments, which I'll show you guys some video clips from my phone. So that place is pretty windy all the time, which is one of the attractions of that area. You have the cool country breeze just going through that area, and it just, you know, it's just a good place to hang out and meditate and just enjoy the view in that area. Flew the FPV drone. I haven't flown for, well, the FPV drone, I think 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, so I'm a little rusty again. So I do apologize if it's going like this too much, but I'll edit most of those weird parts out so you don't get too dizzy. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Just busy at work, trying to find time. The resort is pumping, guys, and it's good to see the businesses all around getting some business, basically, and a lot of them are getting business from the tourists, which we really appreciate. So come on and visit, visit the shops, restaurants, and all that kind of stuff, and enjoy Kauai. And well, Kauai has a lot to offer, of course, but respect the island, respect others, show the aloha spirit, and that's what we do. I try to do. But other than that, guys, just been so busy. I do apologize for not pumping out a few videos more. But I'll get accustomed to it, get back in the groove once some of these other restrictions disappear. Like I said, I want to travel more, especially to the other islands. But right now, it's a little iffy right now yet. So gotta just sit tight and not travel too much. But other than that, guys, hope you guys are having a great day. If you have any questions or suggestions on what you want to see here on the Garden Island, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that like if you like the content. So, well, without further ado, guys, once again, here's some drone action. Hope you guys like it. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
it's a good place to hang out.
Yeah, it's nice over
That's
here.
where I was. I mean, I parked in the beginning though, and then I walked.
No, you're gonna end up in Anahola, I think.
Anahola store, but it's all bumpy over there.
I'm videoing. I got my hair so long. Feel good.
Woo!
There's a truck coming.